These are the Radar Range frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the lens. So, to remove the lens, you're going to take the upper side of the frame and the same side of the lens, and you're going to pull them apart from each other so that you can push down, and the lens should pop out. You do the same on this side. You pull apart and push down so that part of the lens pops out. Now the whole lens is not out yet, so you're going to have to push off of the nose pad, and you're going to do the same for both sides. The lens is a little bit resistant, so you might have to use some force. Now, to reinstall the lens, you're going to take the upper side above the nose piece and put it into the upper side of the frame, like so. You're going to slide it over the nose piece completely before putting it into the sides. Now, you're going to bend the frame and the lens a little bit at the same time so that you can slide it into its groove. Same for the other side. Bend the frame a little bit and the lens a little and just slide into its groove. And that should be it.